Marathu. Today, I'll explain how to create a basic HTML website using HTML code. So first, you want to go down to the bottom of your screen and click on plain text. And then you can type in HTML and HTML is going to come up. And you can click on it and you have a basic HTML document. So now you can skip a few lines and start with the HTML. And you want to start off your tags using greater than and less than symbols. And after HTML tag, you want to give your head, and then enter, and then your title tag, and then type in Shree's website, and close it using a front slash, along with the greater than and less than symbols. And now you want to close your head, and you want to close your body tag. And now you can start with the body, like type in anything you want. Hello there, this is my first website ever. And you can close it if you don't have anything else to type in. And close up your HTML document. And this is a basic HTML code, and you can save it. And now you can give any name you want to save the document. So I'm going to keep it Shree's website. So then you can save it. But make sure you have the .html at the end. So now, oh, this is the wrong one. And now you have it. So hello there, this is my first website. You can see your text. So now I'm going to teach you guys a few customization options. And in the next video, I'm going to go more in depth about that. So you can now add a background color to your website using BG color in the body tag and giving a space and another space and double quotes, and then you can enter red and save it. And then refresh, you have a red background. And then now you can refresh it and refresh. You have a blue background. So that's how you change the background. Now I'm going to teach you how to do a marquee tag. That means your text is going to go floating across the screen and come back again. So marquee tag, make sure you spell it right. And it's automatically going to come in VS Studio Code. So then now you can type in anything you want in the marquee, like hello there, this is my first marquee. Okay, and bam, save it, go to your website, refresh, and it should be there. If it does not appear and nothing happens and your website's still the same, make sure you spelled marquee M-A-R-Q-E-E, and make sure you have the U. And also in the BG color, if your BG color does not change, make sure you spelled it right. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. And that's it. Make sure to drop a like on this video.